Welcome back to our NFT Brownie project. Previously, we built a NFT smart contract with OpenZeppelin in Brownie. Next up, we're going to build a Python script to automate the deployment of the NFT to a local blockchain. So join me back in your project, and we're going to create a new script under the scripts. Here, we're going to create a new file which we can call deployment.py. In here, I'm going to define the main function, which is the default function to execute. And I'm going to also have to reference from Brownie our file my.nft, which is our contract that we built out previously. And we're going to import that from Brownie because it lives in our Brownie project, so that's how we can reference it. Okay, now we can take the NFT and we can call deploy. We can also specify from which account we want to deploy, and actually for deployment you do have to specify. So what account can we use? Well, we can use accounts from Brownie because we're just going to deploy to a local blockchain. If you want to deploy to a public blockchain like Rinkeby or Robston test networks, or to the Ethereum main network, then you have to use accounts that have Ether for those networks. Because we are deploying to the local blockchain, we can use Brownie accounts, which are pre-funded with Ether for your local blockchain. So our account can just be accounts at index 0. Then we can save our results as my.nft. And that is how you can write a deployment script. Then to execute the script, we're going to go into our terminal in our project folder and call Brownie run, followed by the name of our script, deployment. This is going to launch a local blockchain and then run the script that you specified, and then it's going to stop the blockchain. So everything runs in one go. The blockchain is launched, all of the transactions are run, and then the blockchain closes and also gets killed. So in this case, we've been able to automate deployment of our NFT contract. Coming up next, we're going to build a script that is going to mint an NFT. So we're going to follow a similar process, but this time it will be for minting. So don't miss the next lecture. If you liked this video, then go to training.mammothinteractive.com. We have tons more content on blockchain, web development, machine learning, and much more. We also have a membership for just $19 a month where you can get access to our 372 course bundle and counting.